Hi, so my name's Paul Clark. I'm the principal of LTC Eastbourne, which is a language school. We do courses for adult students, for juniors, both groups and individuals, in summer and all through the year. I think the Italian market is probably the biggest market at the moment. We get a lot of groups from the Italian market, both normal mini-stay groups and hopefully pond groups in the future, and we get a lot of summer groups and summer individuals from Italy as well. I feel very good. It's a very good way of meeting new agents. Nearly all the agents I'm meeting today are new agents for our school, so it's a good opportunity for us to extend our presence in the Italian market.